I haven't done a wig unboxing in a long time. This is a new wig, not a new brand, and I think that I'm wearing the perfect wig to compare it to. From Kylin Hair Collections, I really love their wigs. They're budget friendly, they run sales, and I just think that they are the two sweetest ladies to interact with from a customer service standpoint. I love them. I cannot recommend their product and just themselves highly enough. This is going to be my new wig named Cheyenne. So open up the box. I have a couple of little cute cards, and it just brings me to their website talking about hair maintenance. Their wigs come with this cute little brush. They're all throughout my house because I have so many wigs, and my daughter uses it. She keeps one in her backpack. I typically have been wearing blonde this summer, and I have this nice brunette with a few highlights. This is Linda. She has a light root, so Linda LR. But I wanted something that had more highlights in it, and I actually had gotten one of these wigs for a friend of mine, and I really thought it was beautiful. So I wanted one for myself. This is Cheyenne. This is Cheyenne, and she's in 20 inches. So I wanted something a little bit shorter, but you can see she has more highlights in her. She's a nice brunette with true brunette roots. And here we go. See? Oh yeah, she's really pretty. And I love the feeling of a new wig. I mean, this one's been washed once and she's still so soft, but my gosh, a new wig is just... Cap construction, you have your parting space and like a little lace liner. It does come with some combs on the side. I don't ever use them, but I always use this back comb. It does have the glueless strap in there. I don't use that. I always take it out and throw it away because I use a wig grip. She's gonna come with a middle part, so it's gonna look kind of crazy at first, but I wanna try her on. Okay, here she is, and this is that hairline. Gosh, their hairlines are so good. And this is just right out of the box. Yeah, I like her. I mean, there's not many wigs I don't like, and I've not ever found one from them that I didn't, but I was a little nervous about the highlights. I think this is gonna be a perfect like transition into fall piece. I'm gonna get those babies down. But yeah, and I like the length. I think the length is really nice. Sometimes I like that longer va-va-voom kind of look, but then sometimes I want something that's just like, I'm out, about, I'm moving, I want it to be manageable. I'm putting Linda up next to her. You can see that just, it's really about the amount of highlights that are in here. So I'm gonna get her all going and we'll see what she looks like whenever the lace is cut and the part is changed. And I think I might curl her a little bit. I don't know, I'll decide. Okay, here she is with the lace all cut. I always try to cut my lace tailored to how I like to wear my wigs and how I pull my bio hair forward. I threw some curls in here. It's a little curlier than I would normally go, but it'll relax out just a bit.